Marvel-land. Yangmi goes out in the rain. Yangmi was walking along a zigzagged road toward her grandma's house. Suddenly, she felt raindrops falling from the sky.
Oh no! What should I do? I don't have an umbrella.
Just then, Yangmi saw Mr. Tree nearby.
Mr. Tree, can you cover me from the rain?
Sure I can. Come, hurry up.
Yangmi ran to the tree. She decided to stay there until the rain stopped. As her friends Gomi and Gobi were passing by, they asked,
"Hello, Yangmi. You don't seem to have an umbrella. Would you like to use our leaf umbrella?"
Thank you, but the leaf umbrella is too small. It won't be much help.
I see. Well, let me know if you ever need any help.
Yangmi looked up at the sky and sighed.
Oh, what should I do? Grandma must be waiting for me.
Yangmi, don't you have an umbrella? Do you want to borrow my mushroom umbrella? Cuckoo said as he passed by Yangmi.
It's all right, Cuckoo. The mushroom umbrella is too small. It won't help.
Really? Well, call me later if you need any help.
Yangmi, what are you doing there? Don't you have an umbrella? Do you want me to give you my watermelon umbrella?
Asked Elby as she passed by.
That's kind of you, but no thanks. The watermelon umbrella is too small. It won't help. Well, call me if you need any help later.
Yangmi, what should we do now? The rain doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon.
Mr. Tree asked worriedly. Just then, Yangmi noticed a scarecrow standing in the field.
Mister, look over there. I think I can ask Mr. Scarecrow if I can borrow his hat.
Oh, that is a great idea. But how are you going to avoid the rain as you walk over to the scarecrow?
There's nothing to worry about. I have many friends who can help me.
Yangmi had a big smile on her face as she called for her friends, Gomi, Gobi, Cuckoo, and Alpi.
Listen, everybody. I need your help.
Here we come, Yangmi. We will borrow the hat from Mr. Scarecrow and bring it to you.
All her friends, Gomi, Gobi, Cuckoo, and Alpi, marched over to Mr. Scarecrow. Mr. Scarecrow was very tall. They had to carefully climb atop him to reach for his hat.
Mr. Scarecrow, please let us borrow your hat for our friend Yangmi.
Thank you so much, friends. Thank you, Mr. Scarecrow. Thank you, Mr. Tree. Now I can go to my grandma's house. I promise I will return the hat